Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we're going to show you how to turn sleep mode on or off in Windows 10. Basically, sleep mode will turn off the display automatically when you're away. It will put your computer to sleep, which can save power. So, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to access the control panel. To do this, go to the search bar and type in Control Panel. This is the best match. Click on it. Once the control panel is opened, make sure that the view By on the upper right is in Category. Next, find and click on System and Security, this one. Now, find and select Power Options. So depending on the power plan you're set to, click on the link Change Power Plan Settings. In my case, this one. So in this window, you have the option to put your computer to sleep. You can change the time in the Change Plan Settings screen. So the sleep mode will be activated through this second drop-down box. So there's also an option here, Never. This will prevent your device from sleeping. And if you are using a Windows 10 laptop, you have the option to change the settings when it is plugged in. Once you've selected your preferred time, click on Save Changes. If you click on this link, Change Advanced Power Settings, there are actually more settings here that you might want to change. You can expand the sleep section to customize your sleep mode. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.